Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. Alright, so for today's video, it's kind of a runoff, spin-off, if you will, of the video I posted about 2 weeks ago. We're going to be using these false nail tips that I purchased from TEMU. We're going to be using these again for today's video, but I'm just doing a little bit of a different style, different method. I absolutely love these. They are so beautiful. They give you like the perfect and easiest French tip. And if you like a really curved, like if you like a C curve type of nail, but like not too much of a C curve, like just the perfect amount of C curve, these are amazing. And they're from TEMU, and I believe I got them for like $2, which is insanely cheap. So definitely recommend giving these a try. I think I do have a discount code off for like 30% off too, which is insane. But I just went in and I sized them out to my nails. Alright, so after we finish sizing all of the nails, now we're going to go in with my solid nail tip glue gel. You guys have seen me do this a billion bajillion times. I'm just going in and scooping out a pea-sized amount and applying it to my nails. It's super duper important to use a false nail cover that's like translucent and kind of cheap like this, because the cheaper they are and the more see-through they are, you need them to be see-through in order for the UV light to penetrate through and fully cure the nail to your nail bed. If you use a false nail cover or a fake nail that's like painted solid black, it's not going to be able to cure properly. So you want to make sure that you're using something that's either clear or super transparent. So these are perfect because they're super like kind of cheap, super thin, super transparent. So that's what this product is doing for us. It's helping us build up our nails and getting them to a nice strong nail, and equivalent to if you were to go to the salon and get a full set. So we're obviously going to do a few more steps, but all we're doing now is going in and I'm applying this to my nail. You can see I'm just swiping, making sure that any that oozes out around the sides of the cuticle is fully removed before you begin curing. So after you finish curing, I just went in with some cuticle nippers and I just went around my cuticles and around the sides of my nails just to make sure that any excess glue that may have seeped around the edges is fully removed. Now I'm going in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and just wiping my nail down. So this is a builder base. This is available for purchase off of Amazon. Absolutely love this product. You guys know this is one of my go-tos. I love this brand. I'm going in with their milky white builder base, and it's exactly what it says it's doing. It's just building up our nails, making them extra strong, super thick. So you can go in with this as if it were a regular gel polish like I'm doing here, or if you wanted your nails to be, you know, like super strong, super thick, you could go in and do a builder base method where you're kind of swooping and building, literally building the gel polish up. You can get it as thick or thin as whatever your preference is, but now I'm just going in and cleaning up around the cuticles before I go in and cure. Like I said, I love this polish. You can get a set of 5 of this from Amazon, and it comes with the milky white and then a whole bunch of beautiful nudes. Alright, so as you can see, I'm swiping the sides, and this is just going to help ensure that our nails are super snatched and not bulky on the outside. Now I'm going in with a nail cutter, and this is like a size cutter almost. So you can see it has different dials, and I went in with dial 2 because I didn't think I wanted it that short, but I just ended up doing it on dial 1. But this just helps ensure that your nails are all the same length, and it's super duper handy. If there was nail essentials, this would definitely be a part of that kit, because it just makes cutting your nails and getting them the exact same size or the exact same length super easy. So I just went in, and I love it because you can just like keep going. You don't have to cut and then you're like, oh no, I cut this one too short, or I cut this one too small. You get the exact same length, and if you want to go shorter, you can go shorter, and it's super quick. But yeah, now I'm going in with an 80/80 grit nail file. You guys know I love and rave about 80/80 grit nail files. These are also available for purchase on Amazon. I'm going in with my all-time favorite Model 1's top coat. I absolutely love this top coat so much. You guys know I rave about it. This is their top coat. This is not their no wipe top coat. And it's been my favorite for a very, very long time. The bottle is huge. I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, I'm just going in and topping off my nails. Now we're going to do some nail decals. I'm using this pinpoint drill point rhinestone adhesion. I believe they call it a drill point pen on Amazon. I'll be sure to have all the info down below. But I love it. This is another thing that you definitely want on your essentials, nail essentials, because it just makes the process of applying nail stones so much easier. And then for this other nail stone, I'm going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel to apply that one. That's why I really love the solid nail tip glue gel. It's super versatile. You can use it to apply any rhinestone, and you can also use it to apply your full nail covers. So now the final step, cuticle oil. I'm just going to go in with this ultra hydrating cuticle oil. And here is the final look. It's just super pretty, super girly, super minimal, but the design just adds that extra oomph. I really love this look. I love how it ombres and you didn't have to put in any extra work. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye.